Actually, Facebook this, a list of your top 5 people who you would like to lick you. Actually, wait. Maybe I should specify which part of you you'd like to be licked with at. No? That doesn't make much sense. I don't know. See, it would vary a bit but from people to people about what you would like to be licked. What part of you would like to be licked at.
I can't believe I haven't hiccup.
Because it worked. It was going to work. You knew it was going to work. It's the placebo effect. I'm telling you, Placebo is the best band you could ever listen to.